Good evening, guys. Thank you very much for coming tonight. Amy, thank you for all your love and for inviting me. My name is James Tarantin, and I'm a Republican, and I'm running for the United States Senate. I came to this country at the age of 16 with no family, no friends. No, I came legally. No friends, no money, no education. I was born in Israel. My family still lives there. No connections, no resources, no nothing. And wanted to live the American dream and wanted to make my voice come alive. So came here, and for a decade, as I was working on my different projects, I lived in poverty in a small studio bedroom. I had no health insurance from the ages of 18 to 28. During the times I was working on my businesses, I had to go to chefs at night to ask them to give me food so I would not go to sleep hungry. So during these humbling times, as I was working on my businesses, then when I was 28, I came up with an idea to open a merchandising company. I went to 100 banks and investors to ask for money or a credit line or a bank loan. Everybody denied me. I had no employees or partners. But because of my belief in free markets and self-discipline, today I have one of the largest merchandising companies, multi-million-dollar company, and I live with my wife and two criminals in Montgomery County. One of them is 8 months. He's the FBI most wanted. And and I would like to share with you, I'm running for the US Senate because I truly believe that the greatest danger we face in America and around the world are these career politicians that have corrupt intents towards the people of this nation. And that is my main intent, that's my main passion, that is my main drive. And I'm running because I truly believe that it is the time to protect our safety from the rampant crime that we see in different cities across the United States, especially like Baltimore. And I think that by doing this, we need to support our police by give them more money and having more peace officers across schools so mothers can feel safe when they send their treasures to schools. And I think we need to prevent crime and actually reacting to it and so on. And we've got to be able to protect parents' rights to design and determine their children's education and allowing them to decide if they want their kids to have masks and shots and mandates and so forth. And I believe that we should allow parents to get tax incentives when they save money for their college education and to get full tax deduction. We've got to be able to give a new army of teachers tax incentives when they want to be able to come and teach facts and love. And we've got to be able to protect our southern border. And before we give money to other nations, we've got to be able to protect our seniors and our fallen families and so forth, and farmers. And I believe this is the time to protect our economy from this inflation and rampant taxes and excessive regulations and predatory products that many companies throw at us. And I think one of the ways of doing it is by telling corporations, we will give you tax incentives only if you hire more US citizens. Then we'll give you more tax incentives. And I think that the biggest and most important thing is to really believe that we need to fight for our traditional values and promote that simple message that God comes before government. And that's it.